LTK creators are so many things to so many people. Partner, parent, sibling, friend, boss, and more. And yet you still show up daily for your community as their trusted style guide. Your success is the reason that we at LTK wake up every day. You're at the center of all of our decisions, and we see the hard work that you put in to nurture your communities, and together we've reached an exciting new milestone. Brands have invested more than $2 billion in LTK creators, underscoring the value that you bring to your communities and the entire retail ecosystem. Thank you for choosing LTK and for being a part of our creator community. We see you, we value you, and we support you. But don't just take it from me. Our wonderful LTK team wanted to say thank you themselves.
We're so in awe of everything that you do.
I've seen how hard you work from your first day on LTK and every day after.
You are the heart and soul of our organization.
I love working for a company who invests in female entrepreneurs
that allows for creators to show up authentically as themselves
and empowers them to chase their dreams.
We hope that you've enjoyed your passion as much as you've enabled us to enjoy our passion helping you all.
So I want you to know that I am so thankful for you, and you are inspiring to myself and so many others every single day.
Thank you for sharing your world with your followers and with us.
Thanks for letting LTK be a part of your success.
We couldn't do what we do without you.